In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a search on Zillow. First, open your browser and head to Zillow.com. Make sure you're signed into your account before you do anything else. Being signed in is important because saving a search is tied to your profile, and it ensures your preferences are stored and ready the next time you visit. Next, use the search bar at the top to find the area you're interested in. You can type a city, a zip code, or even a specific neighborhood. As you type, Zillow will suggest locations. Choose the one that best matches your target area. Think about how broad or narrow you want your search to be. A city-wide search will cast a wide net, while a neighborhood or zip code can help you zero in on the exact pocket you care about. Now refine the results using the filters. You'll see options for price, beds and baths, home type, and more. Adjust the price range so you're only seeing homes that fit your budget. Set the minimum number of bedrooms and bathrooms that make sense for you. Choose the types of homes you want to see, such as houses, condos, or townhomes, so your results stay relevant. Take a moment to review any additional filters that matter to you, like square footage or year built, and keep an eye on how the results update as you fine-tune each setting. If you notice too few or too many listings, relax or tighten your filters until the list feels right. Once your search results look good, glance toward the top of the results page. You should see a Save Search button. This is what locks in the location and all the filters you've just set, so you don't have to rebuild them later. Click Save Search. With that click, Zillow saves your current settings to your account. The next time you return, you can pick up right where you left off and see updated listings that match the exact criteria you've chosen. Saving your search also helps keep your home hunting process consistent, so you're comparing apples to apples each time you look. To recap, sign in on Zillow.com, search for your desired location, use the filters to narrow down to what truly matters, and then click Save Search at the top of the results page. That's all it takes to create a reliable, reusable search that keeps your home search organized and efficient.